Hi guys, I'm Rob. I'm from North Providence. This is my 2015 Mercedes C63 S Edition 1. You can catch me on Instagram at SBU1614. A little bit about the car.
Got some cars going by, guys. On my nap.
We've had her, we picked her up, we took delivery mid-June or so. She came from Indiana. I had been looking specifically for the Edition 1 for about 3 months or so. I came close to a couple other vehicles, but at the last minute things would fall through. So when this one became available, I immediately jumped at her and we took delivery, as I said, mid-June. So it's been an experience. My current daily driver is the C300. Some of you might have already seen. So yeah.
We'll put some clips in there.
Yep.
For you guys to see that too. That's a really nice car.
Oh, thank you. But I specifically was looking for the Edition 1, so that way it would have the red stitch interior with the red carbon fiber accent. I didn't like the other option of a solid red. She'll be going to Brad's Auto Reconditioning in Mendon, Mass, where she'll have some ceramic coating applied. We just had the new diffuser exhaust tips from RW Carbon applied, as well as the new diffuser.
Hope you guys can see that in the camera. Nice carbon fiber back here, and carbon fiber diffuser with the carbon fiber exhaust on there.
And that goes along with the front lip, which is also by RW Carbon, and hopefully going to be applying the trim coming up soon. Up next, I really do want to look more performance-wise. I'm thinking about the downpipes and tune. Hopefully, I'm going to be going with Model Works. Loving what I'm hearing from those guys, so I will keep you posted. Long term, I definitely want to do a tune. Intake also is on the list. I've got some big plans.
I like how those two turbos right up front.
Front and side, right?
I like that.
I
Yeah.
like how they have the signature on it too. One man, one engine.
Yep. You guys can see that too. The guy who built this motor, he puts his plaque on here with his name on it. The guy who built it.
One man is responsible for the entire engine.
It's very nice. So, do you have any plans, like engine-wise plans, or are you going to kind of keep it like factory, so it's like mint and reliable? And
in all honesty, yeah, I would love to be able to do the turbo upgrade. But I mean, you're talking $10,000 alone just for the turbos. Never mind all the other stuff that you gotta have done. So I mean, right now I'll stick to the downpipes, the intake, and the tune. Yeah, those three.
Okay.
So hopefully after all that's done and said with, I'll be up over 700.
700. Wow. That'll be nice. We'd like to see that. We'd like to do another one of these when you get to that 700 mark.
That's what I've read that people are able to. So hopefully we'll keep the fingers crossed. I mean, right now to go from the C300 to this is already night and day difference.
Yeah.
So, but when it does come time, I will be taking her to Euro-tuned Boston.
Okay.
So good things from those
guys.
When is that? Euro 2, excuse me, not Euro 2, Eurocharged, Boston.
Okay.
It's just a company that specializes in
Oh, I thought
tuning,
it was like a meat or something.
Nope,
No,
nope.
okay.
It's a company that specializes in tuning the Euro cars,
Okay.
Mercedes, Audi, BMW, things like that. So.
Yeah, I'm a Japanese car guy. I don't really know.
No worries, no worries.
Yeah. I'm just now getting into the Euro game. All right, guys, that's it for today. I'd like to thank Rob for letting us view his car here. It's a very beautiful car, nice AMG. I never really got to see one up close before, so I just say thanks.
Pleasure's all mine,
Yeah.
bud. You know, can't thank you enough taking the time. Appreciate what you do. Love your content. Keep doing your thing. Just happy to be a part of it.
Yeah. And you guys don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share. Hit that button that's right down there on below. And I will see you next time on OGT Barrage.
Thanks, guys.
Rack it up, I gotta build up the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas, some packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang, we taking shots off the rebound. Fucking my post to say now, I've been humble too long, yeah. Tell them all to stay calm,